Hi, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you joining us. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm going to throw on the Tarter Rototiller here to get my garden prepped on my John Deere 2025R. There. Yeah. Okay, that went on better than I thought, but I had to use the jack to get it on. And any of you guys have any better ways of getting your rototiller on? Please drop in the comments below. I'd love to know. I did turn off the tractor, and I have my PTO in I want to say neutral, so I can now adjust the chuck here. I'm going to lift it off the pallet, pull it forward so I get a better angle to get that shaft on. Okay, I'm going to lower this just a hair so that maybe I'll flip it the whole way. So now I should be able to slide that shaft right on. Okay, we're on. Okay, last year when I put this away, I had one issue, and I'm hoping it's not gonna be my problem this year. So last year I had it and it shut my tractor down completely. So I'm hoping nothing in the gearbox is shot, or hopefully the drive arm just slipped on me. So we're gonna turn it on and see what happens here. All right, something's jacked up. Well, something's wrong, and I'm not really sure what it is. So I'm going to be troubleshooting here. Try to get all this cleaned out here. So still haven't figured out what's wrong with my rototiller. I'm going to take it to a guy to have it looked at. I did remove the side where the gears are and made sure that those weren't sheared off, and those all look pretty good. So of course all my oil leaked out, so I'm going to put that back on before I take it over. So I'm guessing it must be something in this lower gearbox here, or this upper gearbox. Hopefully it's something small, hopefully it's nothing major, but we'll kind of see. but I'm kind of sidelined for rototilling until I get this fixed up here, hopefully here in the next week or so. This is a Tarter RT205. Bought this from Family Farm and Garden. It hasn't been used very much, but something's wrong with it, and I'm not exactly sure what. So it's ready to go once the guy's ready, and I'll kind of keep you up to date what happened. So I did get the rototiller back. There was an issue, and I had to get this top gear box replaced here. So that's all done, $600 later, and she's on ready to go. So I'm in the process of cleaning up the garden area. I got my boxes I need to clean out and weed, and I need to weed around. But I just last night quickly went through here and tilled up the garden once. I had a lot of sawdust and some other wood burner ash, things like that. So it's actually nice and tilled up as we speak. There's some sod that I want to redo here, so I'm going to put you on the tripod, maybe a time lapse here, and get this broken up even more. Soil looks really good. Okay, soil looks good here in the garden. Got things tilled up, and we'll be ready to start planting stuff here in the next week or so. I appreciate all the support with the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Soil looks really good, nice and rich, dark. And then especially down here at the lower end. Yep, I'm ready to plant.